we are here today to make another one of your contraptions. Yes, you asked for this. Andrew Cutilo. Suction cups on shoes, big suction cups, a dozen little suction cups, game of skate on a glass board. Thank you very much, sir. We think in this thing, we have suction cups. Gabe was like, oh, I got the right ones. And I was like, no, I don't know if those will work.
Nigel, you got a problem with me?
Yeah.
The only way to solve this is a full park game of skate.
What's up, Gabe?
At least I can kickflip.
Saying Nigel can't kickflip?
Oh, no.
Because then I saw these and I was like, Gabe, you realize that's going in your foot, right? Dang, how do we do this?
Wait, do it to your forehead.
Oh, wow, it really does work.
Really?
Yeah.
That's one?
That's one.
That is one.
Yeah, well, you're good. The only thing is, how do we get this?
Aaron, look, it is Nigel Unicorn Jones. Oh.
I was on there, bro.
Okay, take the insole out. The question is, how do you get this part?
Well, you just make a hole through, kind of like the magnetic shoes.
Okay, JD, find me the driller.
The driller.
We need to make a hole. Drill, hole, you know. Do just one and see if you can hold it up.
I was gonna do two, one on either side.
All right.
What if you just do one and it falls and breaks?
And then we're like, uh-oh.
Oh.
It works.
I think we're finally onto something. So you think we should use these things?
Yeah.
And then how you're gonna be stepping on those?
Put the insoles over them, dude. Jeez.
Feel these insoles, Gabe.
Okay, find some different insoles,
He
man.
says it like that because he's not putting his foot in there.
Okay, but who else is ordering this stuff? Who else is figuring out these video concepts?
Me? I just wasn't gonna order these ones.
Something with no ability to attach them whatsoever, and
Yeah.
then we would be in a predicament where you can't attach them to the shoes at all.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean? You just get ones with the flat.
Hot glue gun.
Yeah, you get
It's gonna fall off first go. My method is foolproof. You guys are just haters.
You're doing really good.
I know.
You're
Thank you.
Excellent.
You're really good.
I'm fantastic.
You're on top
Just like
of
when I
it.
blanked Nigel and skate
Yeah.
yesterday.
Full park today. If you guys want to see a full park game of skate, Nigel versus Gabe Cruz, leave it in the comments below right now.
Yes. They want to see that.
Okay, so we should have 10 in each shoe. I'm gonna start somewhere easy to place it. Dang it. Okay, how do you get that in there? Okay, Gabe Cruz, well, I stand corrected. These are so perfect.
Why are you looking at me?
So perfect that they don't even work! Whoa! I got one on there. Just put that on. Just one, just put it on. Look at his face.
What's the problem?
There's no problem, it's great, it's great.
Dude, it's nice. Oh!
I told you.
This is the greatest idea we've ever had.
True.
Oh, dude, it's working perfectly.
It's as if these were designed for these shoes.
Yeah.
You really know your stuff.
Dude, you know, 12 hours later.
Yep.
Sounds like you're farting.
At least they're sticking on there though. Gabe Cruz for the win.
Well, here we are. That looks good.
Wow, we finally made something. Justin Daniels, can you drop in on this?
Do you think we can walk on a wall window or walk up the vert ramp?
Yes. The world's first suction cup shoes on a glass skateboard. What will they think of next? Here is the defining moment.
Oh, that's too easy.
Oh, yeah.
That's too easy.
Yeah.
Wait, I probably need to suction over the, hold on. Oh, wow.
Once you're on there, it's on there.
I want to get it over the bolts though. Right?
Stop.
Oh! What? Holy!
Yes.
It is sketch. It's actually so scary though. You want to drop in? Be careful. This is next level.
Yeah, I don't know.
And he's got shorts on.
What? This thing stinks.
Aaron,
I'll do it.
Look at his dad.
I have never seen a video idea work so clearly.
You clearly suck.
What the heck?
Shin cup.
Oh, I almost just fell out the ramp. Oh! I didn't even get to set it up correctly.
I got you.
What's his name?
Dude, this is actually way scarier than I thought.
Thank you. Thank you, I know.
Oh, my foot's stuck.
Now just imagine it's not tempered glass and this ramp is about, I don't know, 3 feet higher.
Be light on it, JD.
All right, ready?
Hold on.
If
How
it
are
breaks,
you?
catch yourself.
Go.
Don't fall.
Go.
Let go right now?
Yeah.
No, I'm freaking, I'm scared. We can't do it.
go.
Abort mission. Put on the knee pads.
I'm holding it.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, let go.
Oh!
That was honestly the best glass drop, and he like manualed in.
You guys forget that we did drop-ins on the vert ramp like for a while.
He's also 13.
Well, not the vert ramp. So he's a man.
That's true, he is a man.
Oh, you saw my feet slide.
Hey JD, Ollie North.
You think?
Oh!
Gotta make sure it's really stiff. Dude, it won't stay. I gotta go like here, but I don't want to do that because if I land too hard, it's gonna go like, ah! Oh, listen to that.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Oh, that wasn't as satisfying as I thought. All right, I think I'm done because I'm not trying to die on this thing.
What are you thinking, Nigel Ryan Jones?
Backflip, double backflip,
Don't lick it.
triple backflip.
Oh!
Came off. It didn't suction that good. I feel like I'm gonna break it from doing this.
Oh! Suction's coming off, huh?
Yeah. Oh! I didn't mean to push it that hard.
Oh!
That's how you gotta do it.
Wow!
That feels so weird. Did we skate the park? Try stuff inside? Oh my gosh.
Chris McNugget would be laughing so hard.
Woo! Aaron, you gotta feel this.
Wait, Nigel. Stick both your feet and then try to jump.
That felt so weird.
We don't even need the glass skateboard.
You have to try it.
Suction cup shoes, best idea ever.
Let's get them nice and clean. Ow.
What?
It's like small knives poking into your souls. Help me! Ouch! He's like, well, I got this ball. You could throw it. I don't know what else to do. Ouch! It's amazing that it sticks to everything. All right, definitely ain't running up this. All right, nothing else I got on this.
I don't like your face, Nigel.
Oh!
Dang it! You want to get a try? Hold on, one more.
That was horrible. Let's go, first time. Was I holding it like this or this?
Like that.
I
have reinvented axe throwing.
Suction cup shoe throwing.
Shoe throwing.
Come on down.
Derek, I'm coming after your business.
Holy, is Dan actually doing?
Wow.
Oh my. Dan is actually helping
It's
out.
the first time he's on.
Holy, this is the most help Dan's given us in years.
This is monumental.
Oh my.
Look at his face. He says, "This is why I don't. This is why I don't."
Wow. Leave it in
Good
the comments
job.
below.
Good job, Dan.
Oh, there's no way.
You didn't even have the shoe on. The best idea you ever had. What video should we make next? We'll see you in the next one.
It's okay. We're gonna seal you in there, baby.